Boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It is Obey Entertainment. I do apologize if I do not look the best, but that is not really my concern. Today, do you guys want to know how to add hashtags to your guys' YouTube videos? It's super fast, it's super easy, and it does help rank and just a whole bunch of other stuff. So if the answer is yes, stay tuned until this video is all the way over, because I'm gonna have so good stuff for you guys. Yeah. So without further ado, roll my intro. Alrighty, now that we are back, this is really easy. As you guys see here below this Forza Horizon 4 2015 Audi TTS Coupe video, you guys will see 3 hashtags. If I remember, there is a limit on 3 hashtags what follow, and you guys could add hashtags into your title. But if you guys do that, it would not show up above the title itself. So if you guys want us to do this exact thing, you guys need to go to wherever you guys' description is here, scroll to wherever you want, really. It doesn't matter where you put it in the description itself, but go ahead and place it in, and I'll show you guys exactly on this video because this is the one that has it. Edit video. I guess I could have just gone to the description, but that's cool too. So here's the description. If you guys scroll all the way to the bottom here, I just wrote this for the title. My bad. I wrote that for the description there, and as you guys previously saw, it did pop up above the title itself. So it does work. It does help you guys' video, and it looks professional. I don't know. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please help support me. Leave a like down below. Share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try to keep this fairly short. There's no reason to keep it long. It's a really fast and easy trick. So smash that like button. Peace out, freshies. See you guys next time.